Hello, so in this video I'm gonna be talking about CircleCI and how to use it. Most likely I have been prior used GitHub Actions, I presume. It's a quite a popular CI/CD, but now there are as well other CI/CD tools like CircleCI, and I was really fond of it and want to use it because of its features and it being more diverse as per my understanding. So for example, this is CircleCI dashboard. There are some new releases. Let me see what are the releases inside. You can see the UI is quite diverse, more than GitHub Actions, as per my take, because it has own dashboard rather than through the GitHub repo itself. So, for example, you have pipelines here. This is the one that I was building. We're gonna be going through this shortly. So to start off, you go into CircleCI Setup. Here you have Bitbucket sign in. Here you can log in and otherwise sign up with GitHub. You can see, and then GitHub should appear, and then you should be able to log in with GitHub. So it's a little bit of a roundabout, but it is what it is. So once you're logged in, you for example go into repo, and obviously as initial you won't have anything. So I'm gonna open up one of my projects. So here, basically now, I'm gonna create new folder, CircleCI, and inside here, I'm gonna be creating new file, config YAML. So now I have config YAML. Let me just paste something, and I'm gonna go shortly through it. Okay, so as you can see, it's quite similar to. Wait, I have to remove this one. It's quite similar towards GitHub Actions. You can see you have jobs, preview deployment. I define the node because it's a next app. Environment. I connect with Vercel. Here you have my hot wallet API key. Here's some ESLint. Here's install, npm install, PNP. I use PNP here in my package JSON. Yeah, so you can see PNP log because it's faster. So here it's PNP setup install. With this one there are some issues. So I'm gonna uncomment it. And here is build artifact. That's how it is in CircleCI. So here is product deployment. In product deployment I would suggest, you can make it different than preview deployment. So it can be with linter or something, but for simplicity case I will actually comment this one out. So, and you can see there are two workflows. Two jobs, preview deployment and product deployment. So basically matching on this one. So in retrospect, it's quite similar to GitHub Actions. Now let's just go back and see what we're gonna have. So I committed the code, and for example, if I take this one, it doesn't have this CircleCI YAML, but I can, okay, this is with Go, for example. Let me see. You can see it as well has some. Let's go back. Okay, let me just set up a new project, and I'm gonna take. Okay, I'm gonna take, for example, this one. So I take, like, for example, master, or actually main. Here it's looking no CircleCI config YAML found on this branch. Check it if it's existing. Commit as, and here you can see you can commit starter CI pipeline, or take me conflict that I can edit. We have added directly in repo, as you can see. And for example, then I go here, and here you have deployments. I had with Vercel some integration. So prior to deploy on Vercel, I check if linter if everything matches, and then it can trigger a build in Vercel. So I would actually, let me showcase for a second. Here is the repo. Here. So you can see it's similar as GitHub Actions, but here it's an external one, and it shows like production deployment test failed. So let me just look what's happening. So I'm gonna check here. I did commit a new thing, so I'm gonna rerun deployment, rerun workflow. Let me see. So I double this one. So you can see install PNP here, set up PNP directory here, install dependencies. As you can see now it's successfully deployed. Let me check if I'm not mistaken. Project settings. Oh, here you have all the configurations. And for example, here I needed to add environment variables and Vercel, and for Rainbow Wallet. Here as well you have advanced. Oh, this is a new feature that I actually want to utilize. For my other future project, you have Slack integration, webhooks, Docker layers. So there are a lot of things to check. Yeah, I hope you liked the video, apart from just GitHub Actions. So yeah, see you in the next one. Cheers.